2, 3, and a 4. Awesome sauce. Last thing while that's happening, this can get up and running. Okay. Oh, so itchy. Oh, much graph. All the things. Cool. Okay. There we go. Found it. Found it. Nobody panic. Nobody panic. I was probably the only one panicking, but it's fine. Oh. Okie dokie. So. I have a lot to think about. Hey, the rip, what up? What's my take? What I think is going to happen? Is that basically what you're asking? I think we're going to be headed for Asia highs now. I think. Now let's take out New York highs. I could be wrong. The rip, what do you think is going to happen? Taking out there. Hey, George, what up? How's it going? How's it going? If I haven't responded to anyone yet, apologies. Sometimes it takes my multi-chat a little bit to get going. The rip, what are your thoughts? Shorts respecting the hell out of this fair value gap. Interesting. Okay. Which means it could still respect it one last time. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Okay, we now have... Sorry, my chart looks so chaotic. Oh, I don't like it when it looks this chaotic, but it is what it is. Actually, equal highs were also relative equal highs mixed with London high. Okay. That's gonna be a goodie. Nope. Adopted. And here's London. Come on. Thank you, thank you. Heisenberg, what up? How's it going? Daily pivot is 25288. Really? So Heisenberg, where are you getting that level row weight? It's probably from one of your indicators, right? So you're long since 8. Looking for London midnight means equal highs. Ooh. Okay, cool. Cool. Since 8, so 8 is then around 2 EST time, hey? Damn, that's a flipping good entry. The rip, what was your confirmation that it was gonna go up? Or, I mean, this was quite a big candle, yeah. What was your, this is it? Oh, thanks, Nick, that's sweet. Oh, okay, the rip. I'm pretty sure I've asked you this, but I'm gonna ask again. How long have you been trading for? Sorry, I was laughing at Solly. Hey, Solly, what's up? How's it going? Odelay. Am I crypto queen? No, sorry, I'm Nasdaq futures. Some guy, what up? How's it going? How goes it that side of the world? I have a song stuck in my head. I don't think I can sing it on YouTube or else I might get in trouble. you know, don't have rights to the song and things, but it is heavily stuck in my head. These equal highs followed by this freaking fair value gap that is respecting solidly. Okay. Either way, I have to sit on my hands until New York Open. Oh, right, guys. Happy hump day. I keep forgetting that it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday! It's Wednesday! How is it Wednesday already? In the same breath, how is it only Wednesday? It's a weird week for me. Lansana, hi, how's it going? The Rip, 7 years every day. Whoa. The Rip, why did you start? I know you heard my whole big spiel earlier, but out of curiosity, what was your reasoning? Or was it similar reasoning to mine? And how long did it take you to become profitable? Weekly R1 is 2000. So I wouldn't even think about all-time high until we break that. So you think so? 307, 307, 307. Aha! Yeah. So literally where I've kind of marked out. See, I'm getting better at marking things out. One thing at a time. Oh. Okay. That's dark as hell, Odile. Okay then. Adam, so far you've won all your trades. Traded your ex-wife when you... Adam? That was dark as hell. You can stay. That was hilarious. Terrible, but hilarious. Anyways, you need a smart, techie guy like... Girl? Like me? What on earth makes you think I'm techie? Heisenberg, I haven't. What's the hump day commercial? George, how much money? Also, hi, by the way. What do you mean, how much money? Are you asking if I'm up? So I am up for the day, guys. I'm in the green. I'm up $107 today, which is not bad for me. It's actually going better. Dark Angel! Howdy, howdy. How's it going? Thanks, some guy. Yeah. But nothing happened to my ear. I'm wearing a headband. That's it. Five and a half years to be profitable. It depends. I struggled with a lot of personality issue. Interesting. Ooh, interesting. I mean, the Rip, it makes sense. It makes... Oh, thanks. No, it's good. Don't worry. I promise. My ear's good. The Rip, that makes me feel a lot better because there's some people that are like new, basically started trading when I did, and they're like, oh, I'm already profitable, and I'm like, okay. Cool. Glad to know, you know, it made me feel a little bit like I was behind. But I guess, you know, everyone's journey is a different length or pace, whatever you want to call it. Heisenberg, I'm too young. I'm too young? For what? Anyways. Maverick, hi, how's it going? Rambo, 3:41 a.m. New York high as buy side. Yes. Let me just make sure we got this right. So 3:41 a.m. would be... Let's go backwards in time. And 6, 4, 3, so 9, that's for me. 9:41. Oh yeah, cool. Okay, I've got it marked out. Yep. I got it, Rambo. See guys, I'm getting better. See, I have this fair value gap marked out. We can see it's respecting... Okay, I didn't really tap into it there. But it's respecting the hell out of it. Do you see this missed trade right here? Missed trade. That's fine. Anyways, it is what it is. Shouldn't have gone break even there. Was an awesome win. Could have had a 4R win there. Again, it is what it is. Yeah. Point is, I took the trade today. And that's it. Ooh, okay, Dark Angel, but that's okay, right? Like you said, it's never a lost trade. It's always a learning trade. So that is amazing. I'm glad you were able to see what happened as well. So that's awesome. So now you're ready for today, hopefully. Let's see what today brings. Today's been wild. Let's see what New York brings. The mindset trader. Oh, Leon, hey, how's it going? Leon, it was good. So I'm in a debate phase. Right? LP pointed out something very valid. And I'm trying to now decide. So here I had a partial and break even again. If I didn't go break even, it would have gone all the way down. But he had a point with regards to the math. My partial was 50% of my contracts. So here I placed 10 contracts. Partial took up 5. PP would have obviously been the second half of the 5. And the argument was, if I just did all 10, I would have made the same amount with the 1-to-1R. So do I bother doing partials? Do I just do all of them at 1-to-1R? So now that's bugging my brain. Like, I'll just have to carry on for today, but now I need to really sit down and consider, you know, do I bother doing partials? Do I leave my 2-hour trade and just leave it, no break even, just leave it alone? Because this would have been a 2-hour trade, and it means I would have been up $400 instead of $100. So yeah. Or is it just worth sticking to 1-to-1R then, and then just getting the $200? Yeah, see, my brain's having a moment. Godzilla, how have I been trading? What do you mean? Sorry, a little bit more specific, like what strategy have I been trading? What sessions am I trading? 16 AM imbalance. So, where are you, Rambo? Extend 16 AM imbalance. This one, right here. No, but it's already been used. Oh. I'm confused. I feel like I'm getting the wrong time. No, I'm not. Yeah. This imbalance right here. Rambo? It's already, oop, there it is. Okay. The one that I basically tapped into and then dropped. Sorry, I was a little bit slow there. Yeah, the rip. Very valid, thank you. Equal highs just below the zone you marked out means the market has reason to come tap into that. I know some guy. Let's see if it does though. Let's see if it does. It sometimes, you know, it likes to do its own thing. Chef Trades, what up? How's it going? Skeletor, I low-key think that was one of your best yet. I'm just saying. That was awesome. Holy macaroni. Who was in this trade? The Rip. The Rip, how are you feeling? Are you still in this? Did it get you out? That was... yeah, that was not nice. Ah, Maverick, that's where you're wrong. I'm not a teacher. Oh, the mindset trader? I don't know. Sorry, I was born English, so it just comes naturally to me. Yeah, hey Rambo. Yep. I'm gonna share a table and the Discord showing win rate on our requirements for profitability might help you with debate about strategy. Thanks, some guy. Let's, yeah, thank you. Share it. Because my brain's all confuddled. You know, it's basically, I know the higher R is better, but then is there any point in taking partials? Because then I'm making the same amount if I just kept it as is. Yeah, sorry. That's basically just the whole brain boggle going on right now. Oh, okay, cool. The Rip, I was just checking. I was like, oh my gosh, that just ripped down. Sorry. Knight, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Solly, hell yeah, that counts. That definitely counts. So what made you think it was gonna go down, guys? Just because it tapped into the fair value gap, or? Hey! Bassa, how's it going? Why now trade a micro instead of mini? I thought it was. Knight, maybe it's just a sign, because I remember you said you were just also having a bad day. Maybe it's just a sign that you need to close the charts today and just take a breath. Rip, I would love to take the low and go back up. So the London low, New York low, both. Because that would be ideal. Taking both lows and then seeing a reversal. That would be awesome. How big was this freaking FU candle? Just a casual 57 points right there. Damn, okay, well there's the lows gone. I was not expecting this. Yeah, Leon. Yeah. It's that. So there's pros and cons for both, Leon. That's why I'm getting a bit frustrated. I'm not sure. Maybe in the Discord later we must all have a sit and really maybe we can discuss it and see what everyone thinks is best. 9:45 to 10:17. Well, what most probably will offer long positions. Okay. You think? Okay, Rambo. Let's see. Can you see? I'm really taking note of what you're saying today because I'm testing you. I'm testing your skills at being accurate. Oh, some guy. That's not bad though. That's really not bad. Cool night. Let me check. Ethel, what up? Muzamil, how's it going? Going good with me. Good. How's the trading been for you? Night, I'm so sorry. Bassa, no, sorry. I trade the Nasdaq futures. Jim? What up? I mean... Cool, that's basically a 100-point drop in 5 minutes. Awesome sauce. This would be good, but come on. It's a tad bit large. Damien's? Yes, I'm trading. I would never know the liquidity until I stick to 1 minute. Muzamal, explain. Damien's, am I rich? No. Hey, Mark 1. Not bad, not bad. Well, I think you're gonna have to ask everyone else about that one. Hey, Muzamal, I'm glad. I'm so glad. Listen, I'm not messing with this until volatility calms down a little bit, but yeah. I'm just having a look at what would work best. DK, what up? High Life, stop lying. Gosh, you're gonna give people all these expectations when I'm really not. Really not. Anyways. 933 imbalance. Sorry about licking at me fingers. So Rambo, the 933 imbalance, why is this more important than this? Out of curiosity. Isn't it that the first fair value gap is more important? See, now I'm getting confuzzled. Okay. Oh, damn, Knight, you're in a long? I was looking at possibly doing a short from here. The rip, that makes sense. That makes sense. That's why I wasn't expecting shorts. I really wasn't expecting shorts, but I guess it really just wanted to take out the lows before popping up, right? Should show you what my dog's doing. So Leon, you're in the longs. Nice. Okay. So that's why it's more important. Got it, Rambo. ES is more strong and ideal for long. ES is... Ooh. ES actually nearly has 3 equal highs, or relative equal highs. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that would have been a quick in and a quick out. That would have sucked. Hey, Geordie. How's it, bro? How's it going? Anyways, Xavier, what's up? I regret saying that, Geordie. Sorry. Really, did you? I love it. Okay. So, small range would not have worked. Again, I'm not taking this. I'm just low-key doing this out of curiosity. Second range would have taken. It's created some inverse fair value gaps here. Okay, what time is it? This is not bad. If it comes back up, this is not coming back. Never mind. I do remember, I was just thinking that. I saw the time and I was like, hey, look at that. It's nearly 9:45 EST time. Oh, nice, sure. Sure. Here we go. I'll keep it up this side. Let's just... There we go. You happy there, Knight? Can you see it? Posic Man? Hi. I'm trading MNQ. So Nasdaq futures, but the micros. Knight, where did you put your... Actually, don't tell me. You can tell me later. I was gonna ask where your TP was, but you can tell me later. Okay. Let's try this then. 5 contracts. Let's see if it comes back in to get me. I don't know if it will though. It might not, but let's see. Oh, damn, Knight. Ooh, okay. Geordie, right. I don't know if I should keep moving this. Part of me wants to, another part of me is like, just leave it alone. Also, that definitely wouldn't have worked. I think this is just running away. Which is low-key just rude. I think this is just running away from us. Oh well. Hey, Geordie, hell yeah. Oh, damn, Leon. That's a hectic stop loss. What? Franks! How are you doing, Franks? Where you been? Oh. No. Geordie, it didn't come get us. It just left without us. It's so rude. They left without me. They do this every year. If you don't get that reference, we can't be friends. The boss of Pirates Trading makes me cry. I hear that, but what did it do? What did it do? Night? Right. Let me go check out. Let me check out the Discord. Let me check what Night posted quick. Holy cow, Night. What made you so sure about that being the entry, or did you just go off of the wick? Night? Damn. Oh wait, I think you posted above. You did post it above. Never mind. That's why. I see. Sorry, ignore my question. I see you posted it. I'm just being blonde. Only too many. I trade 1 hour on this. Oh, okay, that's fair. That's fair. Shoot. Here we go. Six points. Radma. Sorry, Rad. So I learned the basics from a friend. The rest I've learned from my fellow traders on this stream. Literally. Couldn't have asked for better teachers. Okay. Doing it. This is a huge range. This is massive, but just means I'm gonna put less contracts, right? I'm gonna make it 3. Let me make it 3. Geordie, is yours looking similar? Or where's your entry at, Geordie? Is yours a little bit further down? Yeah, Knight, that's insanity. Well done. Yeah. Thanks, Boom. Tony, what up? Okay, Rambo. Frank's possible NQ continue down. I don't know. I don't think so. I would think that it would want to come get the equal highs. Let's find out. $2,500-ish. Yeah. Oh, so basically where my freaking stop loss is. Nice. The rip. Really? You don't think so? What about this flipping inverted fair value gap here? That is quite juicy. Knight, that would actually just be rude. I used the wrong range. I used the wrong range. I used the wrong range. No! This is the range. No! I used the wrong range. Yeah, you did, Geordie. Let's see if this would have played out. Okay, the rip, that makes sense. Well, we now have a little delay in... Crap. Franks, is Friday CPI? Oh. Oh no. Okay. So you don't want that fold in right now. If it's bullish, you don't even want it to go there. The rip, that makes sense. It does. I'm just now bummed. Look. Okay, it's now just bounding off a VWAP a little bit. No, Knight. Okay. missed the range. Oh, wait, now here's a doji. Yeah, there's some Game of Thrones wars going on right now. Properly. Shiro, yes, this is the this is the 1 minute time frame, and yes, I'm scalping. You son of a biscuit. Oh, we've lost the push on ES. Son of a biscuit. Shoot. I used the wrong range and I only clocked too late. Rambo, you did think that it would come back down to here though. Just saying. Knight should have gotten... No! So Knight's on ES. It hasn't gone further up on ES yet. Some guy. Yeah. You're a son of a biscuit. Yeah. Okay. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Good, 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 good. This is a goodie. Haven't checked on a higher time frame though, but it looks like a decent one. Make this one 5. This might push down heavy. Oh! Knight, sorry, I thought you were on ES. Whoop whoop! Amazing, Knight, well done! Yeah, thanks, Muzamal. Which pair am I trading in? Shiro, so I'm not trading pairs, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Right, Geordie? But Knight, well done. That was freaking awesome. Got it, Knight. Got it. I thought it was on ES for a second. I was like, ooh. The entry could be higher for this one. Let's check the 2 minute. Nope. Did that on ES. My bad. Let's pop here. And now. Now it's just running away. Okay. It's actually not terrible to follow this up a little bit. Let's stick with the 5 there. I'm trying not to chase. Trying. Expecting 10 AM candle to not take out 9 AM low now. Still holding. Let's hope so. Hang on. Okay. You look at touch the BSI entry happened. Screwed. Nope, wrong one. And now I'm just hands off. Rambo, that's insane. Well done. That is really, really good. And then Rambo, your TP is the equal highs, right? Michael, what up? How's it going? Damn, Knight, look at you go. So you're just sorted. You're just a happy chappy right now. Thanks for the sub. Michael, you know, can't complain. I don't like the hesitation. Okay, cool. Nice confidence across markets for those saying trade market are heading to all-time highs. Ooh, okay, some guy. Some guy, are you in anything now? You must be joking. Come on, this had... Yeah, there you go. Liquidity there. It's had like 3 confluences for me as confirmation. Oh well, it's fine. It is what it is. Nerviona, hi. So you're wanting to start trading? Is that what you're saying? Are you serious? Live every moment. It's gonna go below 40. Where's it at now, by the way? Shiro, that's amazing. Well done. Bob, good morning. How's it going? How's it going? I'm trying not to look at my screen. Someone just say whoop or sad face or something when something hits. I'm just going hands off now. I'm letting my strategy play out. No. Okay, some guy. Well, at least you potentially will have something later, right? Yeah. Yeah, listen, Shiro, I think you deserve a big whoop whoop for our trade. That's amazing. Whoop whoop Forex, Tony. Whoop whoop. Maybe, Geordie, you're gonna have to convince me though. It's an option. It's an option. The problem is, Geordie, that I've done it before. Big problem mentally. This is... Oh, yeah, Geordie, I'm in it already. So I'm going just hands off. I'm literally holding here. Night, you think it's gonna wick out? Probably. I'm trying not to look. I'm taking little glances here and there. I'm just going hands off. Hey, Remnant! What up? How's it going? Remnant, it was you that told me. I even made a comment yesterday, and you can ask everyone. I was like, who said 211? Because remember, I marked out that level, and it tapped it literally to the freaking tick. And then it went up. How did you know, Remnant? What did you mark out that you got that? We are the change. What up? How's it going? How's it going? Oh yes, a few glances here and there. Oh, sorry, Knight. Sorry. I thought you were talking about mine, and I'm like, yeah, man. I'm trying so hard to not look. Tony, no, I didn't. Sorry. I'm trying to figure something else. Something out. Mr. Opinion, what up? How's it going? How's it going? Hope you're well. Well, Knight, let's hope for the former, not the latter, right? Please, thanks. Have positivity thoughts over here, please. I looked. It's reached a certain point. Some guy, thanks. Please share. Rambo, still time left for longs. Rambo, I'm in a long. The rip, hopefully it holds. I'm trying really hard to not move anything. Sarah, how long have I been into trading? Only since April, so I'm still pretty new. So I'm still figuring things out. And I have my amazing teachers, all of y'all. I've started saying y'all. I kind of like it. Thanks, Bob and Dark Angel. I'm gonna stick with it. And looks like it's coming back down. Now poop. Maybe I should. No. No. Leave it alone. See, I'm literally just holding my hands like this. No! What was that? What was that? It was looking so promising. Man. Okay. What the heck? That was rude. Knight, you called the wicked out. Oh, sigh. Okay. That was really looking promising. I really thought it would go up. Solid rude. Thanks, Shira. I appreciate it. Three, 4, 8. Why there? Just tapped into VWAP. That was unnecessary. Yeah, Knight, I saw ES kind of looks like it's just choppy now. Oh, that was a bummer. And I was up. Okay, but positives, right? Let's look at positives. $10 opening, yep. Yep. I was kind of hoping it would hit my TP before 10 a.m. No, I lie. I mean, do I lie? I was kind of hoping it would go down and get some momentum back up. Tony, that light bulb is going to turn on. Trent in Paradise. What up, Trent? How's it going? How's Paradise teaching you? Unnecessary. So rude. Oh well, it's fine. Okay, let me make notes. See, this is the argument going on in my brain. If I'd taken partial and gone break even, I would be up and in the green. Or if I just taken all the contracts out at 1-to-1. Sorry, I'm having proper... Yep. Let me make notes quickly. reminds me. Yep, that's not how you spell that. Sorry guys, I'm being quiet while I do this. Hey Julie Jones, how's it going? That's the thing, Tony. So far, the one-to-one, just from the, let's say, how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the 6 trades I've taken over the past 2 days, the one-to-one has hit. I'm sorry, I've only had 1 loss. The partials were hit every time. The 2R was not hit every time. Jordy, you got a mind reading trick. Who wants to play? Go on then. I'm all eyes. Potentially. So, Knight, it's what I was trying. If I'd done partial, but LP had a point today. Oh, thank you. I forgot about ES. I butchered that spelling. Yep, there we go. I'm like, that's not right. Okay. I've missed a lot. Trent. Trent in Paradise, living good life on Fifi Island, flying to Vietnam in November. Damn, look at you go, Trent. What made you decide to head there? Were you always born there? What's the story? Try to know the long-term and short-term swing points. May start off 1-to-1, then trade fans start to develop, then move up maybe. 20. It started as a 1-to-1 trade, and then I changed it. Yeah. Then I literally changed it, but yeah. Okay, Jordy got it. If we tap low and start going high again, then entering long after structure shift on 2 or 3 minute chart. Nice target, London high would be potential 100-point trade. Damn, Knight, you think so? Really? That would be intense. But Leon, that's the debate. That was the argument that LP was having. He was like, you're taking half because my partials I was taking half and half. It's like if you're taking half and then going break even, and it tends to be hitting the partials and then hitting break even, might as well just take everything at the 1-to-1. Okay, Jordy. I'm gonna quickly just put it on my calculator so I don't forget. Because I nearly forgot what number I was thinking of. So let me just keep it on my calculator so I don't forget. Else that'll be bad. Okay, got it. Because you can't see my phone. If I type anything here, you might see it. Lillian DM, what trading app? So I'm on Project X. Sorry, I was like, I'm on MNQ. That's not an app. I'm on Project X with top 1 futures. Tony, not bad. So, I mean, it's a little bit more. Tony, I mean, theoretically, it's market auction theory. English, brain. Market auction theory. See, I was trying to buy a little bit in discount. Confluences are fair value gaps, order blocks, VWAP, and I call them shelves. They tend to be respected quite nicely. Yeah. Greg Mooney, what up? The Michael? Hello? How's it going? Guaranteed incomes, wow, yep. And the rip, you stopped at break even. That's not bad though. Well done. Yep. But that's exactly it, Leon. Guaranteed incomes, no, this is not gold. This is the MNQ, the Nasdaq Futures Micros. Like I said, I'm just popping this onto so I don't forget. Okay, I got it, Geordie. No, Tony, I don't wait. It's the shelves are one of my confluences. I don't wait for it to break the shelves. Sapphire, hi. So you think that this month's price action was pretty bad till today? Or are you the only one feeling this? No, there were some days where I was just like, this is absolutely shocking. And then it would just rip. I mean, look at this rubbish. Sorry, I'm a little bit salty right now, but it's fine. Like I said, I apologize for the chaos on my charts. I do apologize for the chaos on my charts. How did I have this one, by the way? There? Yeah. E. Okay. Lillian. Oh, so it's not an indicator. It's my GAN box. ICT gave 2 hour lessons live on YouTube. That's not about this range market auction and trade discounting within that. Ooh, okay. Big Bull, what up? I don't understand what's happening. Oh, your previous behavior. No, don't be silly. Wait, Geordie. Okay. Got it, Geordie. Remnant long NQ. Damn. Okay, remnant. Okay. Wait. Let me focus. Remnant. I'm gonna mark out those levels now. Give me a second. Greg, really? Is this your favorite stream? I'm so glad. 30% break-even stops hit. Oh, got it, Rambo. Got it. Sapphire, the government is shut down right now. Yeah, I know. It's absolute freaking chaos. Oh, that would have sucked. Geordie, are you in on this, by the way? You knew. You can't see. You're new. You can't see. Give me a second. Give me a second. Sapphire, so do you think the market shutdown is affecting? Oh, hell yeah, Sapphire, definitely. 100%. 100%. That market shutdown has been a proper pain in the behind. Why did I say earlier? I said that I've been preferring London over New York. I've been having amazing wins. Well, no. I've been having amazing wins in London. Maybe I must just stick to London session. It's just been working out better for me recently. I feel like New York's just been going too crazy. Okay, wait, Geordie. Yep, okay, got it, Geordie. I do have a letter. So Rob, what up? Big Bull, shout out. Right, sorry, that's one thing I wanted to also do. Big Bull, you're amazing. Hell yeah, Big Bull. I think you are the OG for today. Okay, Geordie. Gosh, we're going on a rabbit hole here. Okay, got it, Geordie. Big Bull, can I handle your account? Probably not, no. Right, Tony? Yeah, New York has just not been my friend recently, but it's fine. It is what it is. Sorry, my hair's aggravating me today. I don't know why. It's a lot. It's a lot today. Everything's a lot. Goodness gracious. Okay. Geordie, what is... Okay. Okay. Geordie, we're going on a rabbit hole. It's fine. Let's see. So, the rip, you went long on the first percent of fair value gap. Fair value gap. Stop is at the 10 low. Let me read that again. Went long on the first percent. Okay. Oh damn, okay, that's a good trade. Geordie, FYI, this is a potential 4R trade. Just BT dubs. Also, I regret saying BT dubs. Need to get over myself. So I'm busy now going, I'm not feeling confident with New York. Just get over it, right? Okay, Geordie, back to what you were saying. Okay, okay, wait. Geordie, wait. Second letter of that country, think of an animal and tell you the color of the animal. Okay, Geordie. I feel like you're just gonna get it gray. Hey Zane, what's up? How's it going? Yeah, okay, so Geordie, you're in this. This what don't worry, Greg, what's up? Bob, this price action's bipolar. Do you know what I haven't done in a while, and I think this deserves to go into that? Bob's notes. Da 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 da. Bob's notes. Da 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 da. We gotta love Bob's notes. Some of you new people have not heard some of Bob's notes, and I think that's quite sad because these are amazing. For example, the first one. This price action is more confusing than a love triangle in a soap opera. You're speaking facts. You're speaking facts. Damn it, Geordie, that was good. That was good. That was no, so the badams made me think of a joke. It's so bad, guys. It's so bad. Are you ready for this joke? I don't think people are actually ready for this joke, but it's fine. All good, man. What trading platform? I'm using Project X with Top 1 futures as my prop. Ooh, nice, Greg. Look at you go. So, are you guys ready for this joke? A sheep, a drum, and a snake fell off a cliff. But please say you guys get it. Please say you get it. Please say you get it. Come on. I think it's so freaking funny. I'm not mad at myself. I'm just disappointed. I just think it's hilarious. You son of a biscuit. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Just. I'm so grumpy. I miss these. Okay. Okay, let's see if it hops up one last time. I don't know if it will. If it does, I'm gonna try get in on it. If it does being the keyword. Okay, so the 4R would not have worked out. Okay. Let's see if it hops back up to here before taking out the lows. If it takes out the lows, it's over for me. If you guys aren't laughing at my badunce joke, I'm gonna be sad. I'm just saying, putting it out there. Okay. I don't think it's gonna go back up again. Thank you, Tony. I thought it was funny. Oh, Jordy cover, that was awesome. Anyways. But waiting for more bullish price. Okay, Zane, so you're interested in buying gold, but you're waiting for more bullish price action. Why? What's it doing right now? I don't think the Rip is in Discord. The Rip, are you in Discord? I don't think you are. Hey, Thomas, you've missed chaos. If this is a loss, I think I'm done for the day. I'm not trusting this price action. It's... Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm sorry, some guy. Don't stress. Have you seen me? I'm also down. I'm scared. If it feels like it breaks there, it's gonna keep going up. Have I ever been to China? Min Min? No, I have not. I've never been to China. The rip, you also got stopped. I'm glad Tony found my joke funny. Just saying, Tony, thank you. You're amazing. Anyways. Jason Bourne, this is not great. This is just not great today. Like, this has actually given me a headache. No, it's gonna go too far down. It's not gonna come back up. Hello. Oh, I'm getting kisses. I'm getting kisses. Nope. No, come say hi. People wanna see. There it goes. That was the rudest fake out I've ever seen. Anyways. Okay, the rip, that's fine. Enjoy. I'm bummed, guys. I was up $100 today. I really thought it would hit for these all-time highs. That's not all-time highs. I lied. Equal highs. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, nice, Rambo. Jeff, what up? No spamming, please. My bouncers will hop on real quick. Careful. Hey, Marcus. What up? What type of trade was I making? What do you mean? Yeah. Jason Bourne, so I've been having a... think. That doesn't sound great. A mental moment, that also doesn't sound great. With regards to like taking partials and things like that. Yeah, lots to think about. Remember, just see how they use the 8 AM bullish fair value as inversion for shorts. Oh wait, 8 AM. I'm like, what? No, but that's not 8 AM. I don't see it. Am I being blonde? Rambo, are you sure it's the 8 AM? Marcus. I was actually in the green. I was up $100 today. Oh well. I feel like something happened. What happened, Boom? Yeah, I guess. This is also wow. Did Bob have a win? Oh, Big Bull, you're very sweet. Thank you. You're an absolute sweetheart. Oh, whoop whoop, Bob. Did Bob get into... Did you get into a short, Bob? What? Post it on Discord. I want to have a look. No, thanks, Jazzy Jeff. What? Greg, what? When do they think government's gonna, I don't know, turn back on? Start up again? I'm sorry, Asman, I'm sorry. Greg? What? Did you get a block? What block? Hell yeah, Bob. Geordie's dying to know what the secret sauce is. To be fair, so am I. Just saying. So you're doing gold and you think it's about to level. Ooh, okay, Greg. What has it been doing? Has it been going down? Use of inversion. Bob, you had 2 shorts going. One on your combined trading and the other on your... Holy cow, Bob. I mean, I think South Africa's awesome. But, you know. Just never had any complaints. Is this gonna come screw me? Is this a good idea? It's a bad idea. Rambo? Anyone? Thoughts? And prayers maybe at this point? How big is this? Maybe not. After this massive push down, I would expect there's a little bit of retracement back up. Pull the gap. This one wise gold price very insanely profitable and losses. I think it might be. I mean, Osman, that sounds like a very valid way of thinking. Well, to be fair, I think have your confluences. Make sure you're not taking unnecessary risks. Oh, there we go. Yeah, sorry, I also was super confused, but there we go. Got it. Guys, this actually literally gave me a headache. Jason. Oh, that was funny. Yes, basically. Yeah, Rambo. I mean, it bounced off of it, just not as much as I thought it would have bounced off of it. I really... My bias was wrong. I thought it would go take out the London, New York lows and just keep climbing. Yeah. We are the change. I mean, yes. Basically, we are the change. Can I trade when you say? What? Big bull? Like, just mark it in? Is that what you're asking? But regardless of present market, can will have days on a fly, but yes, I understand what you mean. Guys, be nice about the orange Teletubby. Joking. Anyways. Boom, I heard. Boom, how's it going for you? You've been awfully quiet, which makes me nervous. Why is Boom being so quiet? I need something to play with. Leon, basically. NQ just kind of went, you want this? Sure, we can go get it, and then went, ha! psych, and drop back down. That's a little bit rude. Oh well. Asman, I have this and I have Discord. Your daily bias was bearish, but I was expecting market to take out highs before dumping. Yeah. Jason, I was expecting, because London was bearish, and then I kind of thought that New York would be a reversal, not a continuation. Especially with those equal highs going on. Well, I thought at least it would take out the equal highs. That was my thinking. Oh. That's interesting, Knight. Oh, is that it? Is that what Big Bull's saying? Sorry, let me hide the noise again. Okay. Work, please. Honestly. Damn, Big Bull. Yeah, that's hectic. And I'm assuming it's going well. Jason, you sound like me. Part of me wants to stop now, but I'm just being a baby. I'm not down that much. It's just because of the fact that I was up so nicely. And I was doing well. And now it just came and ruined my mood. I was so excited. I was like, today's gonna be great. Today's gonna be amazing. And then it just kind of went, joke's on you. Okay, Rambo, that makes sense. There's a solo week down wasn't tested before it broke now. Jason. And that's the thing. I'm not in the red that much, but part of me is like, is it worth? Let's see if price action calms down a little bit. Let's say that. Let's see if it gets a grip, or were these all the big moves and now it's just gonna just chill for the rest of the time? Let's see, maybe I get one more trade in before the end of the session. Who knows, right? Who knows? So does anyone celebrate Halloween? Out of curiosity. Pixel Tail, heyo! How was it going? I can't complain. I do complain, but I shouldn't be complaining. How about you, Pixel Tail? How's it going? And that's why you went 10:22 short. Okay, wait. Okay, guys. Deal with me for 2 seconds. Rainbow, and that was, well, oh. Nope. Nope. Just there. There. Rambo, you mentioned here. Okay, back to the 1 minute. Was it this one? I thought it was further back. Huh, maybe it was that one. Which means I misunderstood you earlier. Sorry, that was on me. Is that the correct one, Rambo? So Rambo, this is what you saw. And then you saw it was respecting it, and you kind of went, this is probably going to start dropping down. Okay, some guys know that's valid. I shouldn't say celebrate. Does anyone partake in Halloween? Maybe that's the better one. Okay, wait, Big Bull, but again, I'm asking, are you saying when you say do something, I mark it in? Did I? Okay, back to the 15 minutes. Rambo, which time did you say it was? Because you said... So I'm trying to change everything to South Africa time. Let me find it again. At 8. 9. There. This one. This little one. This here. Is this what you're talking about, Rambo? Minute 15 candle. I respected the team. Because there's 8 a.m. Because there's 9. Sorry, I'm getting confused. Funny. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. I'm not gonna say that out loud, but that is brilliant. Valid, but brilliant. Sorry, Ram, I'm getting a tad bit confused about what you're seeing. I feel like I'm seeing things or I'm not seeing it. Bob! Pixeltail, sorry, I'm going back and reading things now. It's raining here in the Netherlands. How is it? Yo, it's hot here today. It's been worse, but it was warm here today, so I shouldn't be complaining. Better than cold. Bustin Jeeber, what up? Cool name. Anyways. That little one. Okay, what about that? Okay. Okay, I'll go to that little one again. Rambo. So that was the correct one. I'll mark out that little one. Yeah, no, I know, I get that. This little one, thank you. Okay. Okay, chaos is about to... Come on, change. There we go. Which I'm not really complaining about, but part of me is like, you know. And the problem is I'm grown up, so I can't even go and get sweeties from strangers, which is rude. I feel like I want to go around and knock on people's doors and get given free sweets. That would be nice. Anyways, okay. So this is the one I marked, which theoretically it respected really well. Theoretically, just saying. But you were talking about this one? Yeah? No, shoot, I made that way too big. Just do me a solid, thanks. There. Out my way. Anyone agree? We shouldn't be dropping under 2.5 area. If we actually see all-time highs noon, under that I would ditch the idea of all-time highs for some time. Really, Night? 040. Ooh, well, I think it's about to hit it. Did I miss my trade? That wouldn't have reached me. Whoop, here we go. Let's see what it does now. It's probably gonna go down now because I did not take it. Oh well. Forex, how long have I been using some ICT concepts? Well, I mean, I think one of the first things I learned were fair value gaps and order blocks. So since I started in April. Big Bill, what is Perry doing right now? Sleeping. He has a really tough life, guys. So tough. Shame it was really hot today. Poor boy. I was working the horses and he just stayed in the shade. He normally follows me. Okay, now look at 10:19, 1 minute candle. It closed below. Nope. There. Okay, so I see it just tapped into it and then closed below. And then went down. Which confirmed 10 and break. Okay. Remember, that's why 9:30 is really important. First presented almost more important as it took primary sell side. Okay, Rambo, damn. Pixeltail, what platform do I use? I'm on Project X using Top 1 Futures. That's what I'm on. And what setups? I don't even want to say right now because it's just not going great. It was. This morning was really good. That just shattered me. I was so confident in it. The little bastard. Oh well, it's fine. I will get over it. I'm being salty, Maya. It'll be fine. Oh, shame, Solly. I can imagine. Oh, yeah, baby. See, even with him, the problem is he hates water. He's not a water baby at all. Maybe just take him to the beach because he'll get into the waves. Not deep, but he'll get into that, and then it's a bit cooler there. So maybe I must just do that. DJ Artie, what up? Are you asking where I'm at? Because I'm from South Africa. But also, Solly, that is ridiculous. 39. 39? That's not okay. That's... Sorry, I only registered now the 39 when some guy mentioned 39. I was like, what? DJ Artie, how's it going? Australia tings, yeah. Where I'm waiting. I think it's supposed to reach like 27 tomorrow. Which is not bad. Well, apart from the fact that we're not even midsummer yet. And it's reaching those levels. It makes me a little bit nervous. Okay. So, what do we think is going to happen now, guys? Just going to range a little bit? Hey, Fulcus, where you been? How's it going? How's it been going for everyone else? I feel like a lot of people have just closed their charts now because it was not a great day for them and they're just saying screw it. And Knight. Knight called this from yonks ago. Well done, Knight. Shout out to them. And another shout out to Big Bull for your super chat, by the way. Mad love. Are we just gonna start ranging now? Aw, DJ Audie, that's very sweet, thank you. Have you seen Woman on the Verge of a Nervous Breakdown by Pedro? I have not. What? I'm assuming it's a movie, right? It sounds cool, and it sounds relatable. No, I'm joking. Or am I? No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Oh, nice, Focus. Ah, that sounds very skeptical, Focus. But it's fine. Yeah, Tony, it's... Yeah, I do not. Nishad, business coach. What up? How's it going? So, Fulcus, have you been in a mental institution? Question mark? Oh no, here it comes. Okay. Hello, how's it going? Also, the RSI is an indicator that tells you when it's overbought or oversold. You can tell that there'll be a reversal for the upside, same as when it's overbought. Martin, I don't think Project X has it. Oh my gosh, sorry, it's being so slow today. Ah, there we go. Solly? Whoa, 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 whoa. Explain, please. No. Bob, I did. Yes, I did. I traded London earlier. Oh. Okay, then. Is it this one? Martin, which RSI? The Relative Strength Index? Connor's RSI? Stochastic? Some guy. I mean, going for 18 hours is ridiculous. Even 8 hours is crazy. Whoa, that's... Which one, Martin? There's 3 here. Which one? Yes doesn't help me. Okay. Hey, Skeletor. Welcome back. I'm curious. Okay. I'd have to figure out how to read this. What am I trading on? Okay, I'll answer that broad spectrum. So I'm trading the Nasdaq futures on the 1 minute, and I'm on Project X with top 1 futures prop. I hope that answered majority of the questions. Yeah, Bob, probably. No, you're right. You're right. You're right. Right. My brain's just annoyed today. Sorry. Tony, have I ever tried EMA? I have not tried EMA. Okay, before you go, Fib 935 New York high to 930 low and extend Fib quadrant. Okay. 953 New York high. Okay. Let me just close this again. Yeah. To 930 low Monday. On Monday? Damn, okay, I will have to go back a few freaking days to do that. Where are we? It's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I'll have to go back and do that later. Rambo, that'll be a lot of scrolling and sorting this out just now. Some guy, you know, it's like I always say to make myself feel better, but it's true. I say it to make myself feel better, but there's a reason why I say it. LP, I took it off, don't worry, it's fine. Someone was mentioning it and I was curious about it. What I always say, some guy, is that it's never a lost trade, it's always a lesson. Yeah, so never a loss, always a lesson. See, this would have screwed me again. Like, I don't think I would have ever taken this. This is ridiculous, but still. No, what's that? Thanks, Bob. Well, yeah, something I'll mention it on Discord now. Martin, always a lesson. Hell yeah. Or some guy. What if you just get your degens out like beginning of the session? Like you just do one where like, I think it's gonna do this, and you just like, well, one contract, pop it in, win or lose, doesn't matter, and then you just trade not like a degen? Out of curiosity, would that work? I guess. Hey Nanomix, how's it going? It was going good until it wasn't. This price action's just not great for me right now. Nanomix, how's it going for you? How the charts treating you? English hard, brain no work, day long, week long, and it's only Wednesday. I think that's how I have to start talking from now on. I think then maybe things will start making sense. Trade good, trade bad, trade I don't know. Up, down, sideways. Anyways. Thanks, Bob. No, I will. I'm gonna put my thoughts out there now on Discord. See what you guys all have to think. Focus is Susie Sky here. Who's Susie Sky? Is this just gonna continue up now? Is this another just... Surely it needs to take something. Oh, nice, Nanomix. Whoop whoop, indeed for you, you lucky, lucky duck. Oh, okay, someone from the past got it. Noted. I'm gonna see something here. Okay, Rambo. But the way you're saying the rest of that sentence makes me feel like it's not a good idea. Rolex, what up? Welcome back. Cheers, some guy. Enjoy shopping for dinner, I guess. Yeah. Zane trades, that's what I was know now, because now it now looks like it wants to start going short again. Zane, what do you think? Pixel, I know you say it's going to drop again. Pixel, why do you think it's going to drop again? E3 train, Aaron. LP, I need you to yell at me and say take it. Its range is a bit large though. You feel it in your pinky. Pixel, thanks. Oh gosh, you guys are funny. A Nanomix, no. You know what I got into? A long just before the freaking happened. It will. It's fine. Zane, can you just buy the whole stock market at this point and then we just, you know, you just can go from there. Maybe you'll make the price action nice. Sorry, Zane. That's my Wi-Fi. Give me a second. Let me do this. This might make it better. Yeah. There we go. Oh, damn! Sorry, guys. Sorry. Yeah, the Wi-Fi is being silly today. Up there, bounce back down. This is just too large. Notifications! I was $100 up. I'm now $53 down. It's fine. Is that a little bit better? Is the stream a little bit better now? Or not really? Hey, Ronnie. Hey! No, not really, Ronnie. I think I'm gonna have to do it again and just stick. I've hit a road bump, if I can put it that way. I've hit a little road bump and my brain's confused. Pixel, it hasn't even hit my entry yet. Is it gonna continue going down? Or was it just a drop down before it continues back up? It did, Bob. The only thing I didn't like about it, Bob, is that this is huge. This range is massive. Give me a second. Okay, cool. Let's see if it's still choppy. Oh, Solly, you lucky duck. Ronnie, I was, and then I hit a question mark moment. There we go. Is the Wi-Fi better now, guys? How's the Wi-Fi now? Have we stopped chopping? Okay. Okay, there we go. Now it is better. Interesting. It's about to fill the gap here. Zane, I should be in with you. I'm doing a stop by because I'm being a baby. Solly, did you send Rolex back? Ronnie? Yes, I'm still on during London. London's been better. Oh my gosh, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I feel like I'm questioning everything. This is dried up, but it's very much going down. There we go. That answered that question. Never mind. It respected it for a minute. For a minute. A set amount of trades a day, like 2 trades. I have not. Zane, where's your stop loss at? Tell Perry to stop streaming Scooby-Doo. Sorry. You're funny. Flip. There we go. Okay, well, I'm glad the Wi-Fi is working again. Sorry about that, guys. Thanks, Ronnie. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna have a proper sit and think. Only true trader? What do you mean? Yeah. I had a loss. But I must look at the positives for today. I put the correct amount of contracts in today, which is a positive, and I took the trades. So those are positives, right? Did the correct amount of contracts, I took the trades. This would have also been a loss, so cool. Martin, you just still want to trade on that short from the doji candle at the top. Oh, nice! Whoop whoop! That's amazing. Only true trader, yeah. It screwed me earlier though, but it's fine. I didn't take this one though because I'm not trusting price action. Thank heavens, I would have been stopped out very quickly. Maybe today's price action's just not for me. And that's fine, right? Rolex, wow, that was bad. Like, good but bad. Yeah, that, no. Just no. Maybe not. Huh. Let's see. Not gonna lie, you saw the open and knew I wasn't gonna get a trade today. Only true trader? See, at least... Yeah. At least you know your trades well. And you're sticking with your discipline. I'm really impressed. You're doing really well. Deepak, I can show you change of character, but I'm not trading the USD chart. Solly. Shame Rolex isn't gonna understand why. He's never met Michelle. I did see the 3 dojis, but sometimes couldn't those be fake outs? I've seen them do that before. Aw, okay. Cheers, Rolex. Solly, you hurt Rolex's feelings. Nope, that's a nope to that one. That wouldn't have tagged me in. That would have been annoying. Okay. Bob, explain please. The only thing that looks interesting is sweeping the 0 line, so down here, and waiting for a flip to go long. Let's see, it kind of looks like volumes slowly dried up a little bit now, after all that absolute freaking chaos earlier. Okay, Modernwood, I guess, yeah. No, Solly, you scaring people over here, honestly. Don't worry, it's fine. Bob, No. I was looking... What was I looking for? Oh, you're asking... Bob, so this is where sometimes discretion is advised. Like, sometimes using the smaller range works in favor. Big favor. Like I said earlier, sorry, let me remove some of the chaos here for a second. So, I had my range here, and you can see it didn't even freaking come close. However, if my range was here, I would have had a win, would have tapped in and gone up. It all kind of depends on the price action at the end of the day. So let's take a look here. So that would have been good for there. If I went at the top, if I went to the tippy top, it would have just tagged me in, but it would have been a tag in. Maybe I should just start using full ranges, and if they don't come in, then they don't come in. So you're saying this, Bob. So here's the tag in, and now we see what happens, right? CryptoJack, this is the Nasdaq futures. The only thing is sometimes when it drops this far down, it continues dropping. Sometimes, obviously, not always. And then, I mean, this freaking range is ridiculous. That's 40 points. You would go long right there. Huh. No, Zane, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, come on, Wi-Fi. I don't know why my Wi-Fi is being so stupid today. Yeah, that's the thing. Everything's feeling very bearish today, so I feel longs are a bit risky. So we are the change. Here would be your entry. Do you think it's gonna go up though? This just feels like it's wanting to go bearish. I could be wrong. Let's see. I mean, it would be a goodie. It would have taken out some liquidity. Oh my goodness. Would have taken out some liquidity. I did have a fair value gap. Yeah, the only questionable thing is it doesn't quite have the order block. So yeah, here stop losses entry is maybe not a bad idea because it has to go further down, maybe hop into this order block before retracing back up. I've added all fails. And there we go, I need to trade it. It forms some nice baby values. If they inverse, then you're going long. If it doesn't, then you're not doing anything. Thomas, that's fair. Let's see now. I think it's just gonna go down today. Yeah, with a change. Let's look. So on days like this, Bob, just do the opposite. And we should be dandy. That's what I'm getting. On days like this, where it's just not respecting anything, just do the opposite, and I should be good as gold. Oh, look at this drop. Wow. If this holds, we want to see higher, 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 low, and once again, prepare down to Okay, there's some liquidity taken. Oh, it's heading for... Huh. Better for the Asia low. That Monday, I think that's Monday Asia low. It looks like 200 is a resistant area. Yep. To be fair, there's a lot of resistance happening up here. Sure. Should actually take a note of that. 200 as a resistant area. Let me make a little doodop around here. It just helps remind me. Okay, so it's taken out external liquidity. See, Thomas, I listen. This would actually be a good one. Huh. Hey, the dancing cockroach, welcome back. Hell yeah, we are the change, that's right. Funny short vids, what are you doing? You're in class right now? Really? Like school or? If it reverses on the next leg down, take profit at 200. Damn, look at you go. Okay. In all honesty, I think volume's about to dry up before the PM session. This is lunchtime where things tend to calm down. Which is a bummer I wasn't able to get another trade in, but it is what it is. Is this really difficult to master? I thought trading was pure. Oh my gosh. No. Trading is not pure luck. I feel sometimes, no, I don't even want to say luck has anything to do with the statistics. Just statistics. It's never going to be 100%, but there's a lot, and there's a lot to master mentally. Like I said, as you can hear, I can't even speak properly today. Mentally, I am... Yeah, it actually gave me a headache earlier, so I'm sitting here with a little bit of a headache after earlier. Wayne Broad, so I'm here... Bro. Pixel, you still think it's going to continue down? Wayne, sorry. So Wayne, I trade both London and New York sessions, so I'm here all the time. No, joking, not all the time. I'm going to use South Africa time, sorry, because I'm in South Africa, but South Africa time, I start trading 9 AM for the London session, and South Africa time, I start trading 3:15 PM or 9:15 AM EST. It's 11:27 AM. Oh, nice. Middle of the day for you. Oh, thanks, Solly. I was just about to do it. Cool. True. Hey, nice. Canada. Is it nice there? Like, are the people genuinely nice there? You know, everyone always makes jokes that Canadians are super friendly. I've always been super curious. Are Canadians in general just super friendly? Is that a legit thing? And price action has died now. Ah, okay. Well, there we go. That's really cool. 8:30 New York session open. You mean... Anyways, so New York open here is 3:30 PM. Really, Thomas? You're so funny. Oh my gosh. But are they nice to people? Like, are they nice to people's faces? Like, they seem nice, but then, you know, just behind people's backs, they're just a little bit rude. Okay, that was going to be the follow-up question, but I thought that one was a tad bit stereotypical. Wouldn't have worked. Ah, there we go. See, Thomas. See. See. Okay, guys, it looks like price action has died down. Let me quickly hop off. I'm gonna hop off the markets for today because I have a headache and to trade in this mindset is not ideal. So I'm gonna call it, and then I'm going to type a bunch of things on Discord. I'll wait and hear your guys' opinions. Let's see. I have a bunch on my mind. A bunch on my mind. So I'm gonna call it there for today. Again, you guys were awesome. Thank you for the support. If you want to support a little bit more, if you are with any of the above, or I guess below in description prop firms and you want to help out and use my code, that would be amazing. would be much appreciated. But yes, let me call it there. You guys were awesome. Let me go sort out my headache. I'll be back here tomorrow. Same time, same place. Mad love for all of you. Maya, take the short. Pixeltail, let's... I see it short, but it didn't work with my setup. Okay. I'm gonna call it there. I love you guys madly. See you tomorrow. Yeah? I hope you have a great day, morning, evening, depending on where you are. I love you guys madly. Bye.